Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of the universe? For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the celestial bodies that dance across the heavens. Today, we'll embark on a journey through time to explore the evolution of our understanding of the universe from ancient theories to modern discoveries.
The earliest models of the universe were geocentric, meaning they place Earth at the center of the solar system. One of the first proponents of this theory was Exodus of Cnidus. He proposed a system that nested sphere to explain the apparent motion of planets, including the serious retrograde motion.
But what is retrograde motion?
Retrograde motion is an apparent change in the movement of the planet through the sky. Planets are apparently changing motion during the year. He explained that various spheres are needed to explain the observed movement of objects. The spheres spin around different axes on a steady motion. The sun sphere revolves around the Earth once every 24 hours.
Aristotle, a renowned philosopher, further developed the geocentric model. He believed the universe was finite in terms of space and eternal in time, with Earth at its center, surrounded by concentric spheres carrying the celestial bodies. He also believed that the Earth was composed of four elements: earth, water, air, and fire.
Claudius Ptolemy. He adopted Aristotle's geocentric model and explained that while the celestial bodies revolved around the Earth, their motion was in perfect circle and constant velocity. He assumed that each planet moved around a sphere called an epicycle. The center of the epicycle then moves on a larger sphere called a different. He noted that the motion of the planet could be described by a large loops.
The planetary motion. The geocentric model was then proposed by Plato, a famous student of Socrates and teacher of Aristotle. He proposed that the planets are moving in perfectly circular motion. He thoroughly explained that stars seem to rotate around the Earth in perfect path. He also mentioned the presence of wandering stars that travel across the sky which exhibit irregular patterns of motion throughout the year. Plato coined the wandering stars as planets orbit the Earth in combination of circles.
The Geo-Heliocentric model was proposed by Tycho Brahe, which is why it is also called the tectonic model. It is considered as a hybrid of geocentric and heliocentric models of the universe. In this model, there are two centers of the universe: the Earth, where the Sun orbits around, and the Sun, where the celestial bodies orbit.
The geocentric model reigned supreme for centuries until a revolutionary idea emerged. Aristarchus of Samos, a Greek astronomer, proposed a heliocentric model, placing the Sun at the center of the solar system. Aristarchus even attempted to calculate the distance between Earth and the Sun using trigonometry. Although his heliocentric model was initially met with skepticism, it laid the groundwork for future discoveries.
In the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus revived the heliocentric model, publishing his groundbreaking work, De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium. His model explained the observed changes in the phases of Venus, further supporting the heliocentric view.
Galileo Galilei, using his newly invented telescope, made crucial observation that confirmed Copernicus's theory. He observed the moons of Jupiter, that phases of Venus and sunspots, providing irrefutable evidence for a heliocentric universe.
Johannes Kepler, a German astronomer, built upon the work of Copernicus and Galileo. He meticulously studied the movements of planets and formulated three laws of planetary motion. Kepler's laws provided a mathematical framework for understanding planetary motion, paving the way for future advancements in astronomy. From the early geocentric models to the heliocentric revolution, our understanding of the universe has evolved dramatically. Today, we continue to explore the cosmos, driven by the same curiosity that inspired the great philosophers and astronomers of the past. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded of the vastness and wonder of the universe, a universe that is still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled.